Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to block bad bots using our cloud firewall. Log into our panel and select Firewall from the side menu. Click on the Add Firewall Rule button to create a firewall rule. In this example, we are going to create a rule that meets certain criteria and will help us block some undesired bots. Let's start by adding details to our new rule and name it Block Apache Bot. Now, scroll down to Conditions. Conditions are patterns that are used in the firewall to detect a specific visitor. We offer a wide range of conditions that you can use. Select the User Agent option from the drop-down. Then choose the matching type. Next, enter the user agent pattern that you wish to use. We wish to block the Apache HTTP Client library that's often used for crawling the web. So let's write Apache HTTP Client. When you are satisfied with your firewall rule conditions, select the block option, because we wish to block all traffic that matches the condition. If our set conditions aren't met, the default action will be used. To create your rule, click on the Create button. Now we have a firewall rule, but it is not executed if it is not associated with a firewall policy. So, let's create one. Navigate to the Policies tab and click on the Add Firewall Policy. A dialog box will open. Next, enter your policy name, for example, Bad Bots. Now let's select the firewall rule we just created. Next, we have to select where to apply that policy. We can choose a domain group, or we can enter domains individually. Let's choose our domain group. Please keep in mind that if you select a domain group, this policy will be applied to every single domain in that domain group. Once done, click on the Create button. That's it. It was that simple. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.